Previously on Bad News for Chubbs the Bear. No! It's the IRS! No! And now, continuing. Well, now the helicopter's coming, and since he's too far away, we can't really tell him what to do anymore. I guess he's going, and the IRS is gonna take all his money. Oh wait! The helicopter's landing!